Hi. Hi and welcome to day 4 of the awareness campaign of why we human beings suffer so much. In yesterday's awareness session, we discussed that we have a lot of suffering from our past because we have lot of emotions which are connected to different memories and different experiences which we had in our past. And we also understood that we need to transmute those emotions, those negative emotions like anger or pain or hurt or unforgiveness or any kind of negative emotion into peace, so that we don't suffer because of our past or because of our experiences or because of whatever has happened in your past. So in this session we'll try to understand how we can do that. We can do that in a very simple way, and that is called a prayer. We use a prayer which will help us in transmuting those negative emotions into peace. What are emotions, first of all? Emotions are nothing but our energy which is in motion. That is called an emotion. Negative emotion is negative energy in motion, and positive emotion is positive energy in motion. We don't have to do anything about our positive emotions because we all want to stay in positive emotions as much as we can all day long, as much as we can all our life. But we need to work on our negative emotions and our negative thoughts and our negative beliefs, and we need to transmute those negative emotions which we are holding on to for a very long time, because of which we are suffering. So how we are going to do that is, we are going to use a very simple prayer which is called Ho'oponopono. This is an ancient Hawaiian prayer, and it helps us in releasing all that unforgiveness, the anger, the hurt, the trauma, the pain, the suffering, all the negative stuff from our body, from our mind, and from our system. But before we start chanting this prayer, we need to understand one thing very important, and that is, before chanting this prayer, we want to know and we want to acknowledge and understand that whatever has happened in our past, whoever has done anything really wrong to us, whoever has hurt us, or we were in any kind of trauma because of any person or any situation, it all happened just because those people or that person were thinking, speaking, and acting only based on their knowledge, their awareness, their understanding of life, their own conditioning, their own karma, and the different kinds of pain and traumas they went through in their life, the fears and worries they have, and their life situations, and all of that stuff. Every person operates from that place because everybody's conditioning is different. You can't expect a fish to fly, right? In the same way, we can't expect some stuff from people who are not capable enough for that. It isn't that we are trying to criticize them or condemn them. We are just trying to understand that yes, they are weak right now, they are not able to fulfill our expectation, or for whatever reason they are not able to do this, and that is why they have done whatever they have done to us. Okay, with this understanding, we will chant this prayer called the Ho'oponopono. There are 4 phrases in this prayer. O divine, you're speaking to the divine God, I'm sorry for not being aware of this. Okay, please forgive me. I thank you and I love you. So here, this means whatever you're feeling. For example, you're feeling really bad about some experience. You expected something from a person and they could not fulfill it, and there was bitterness in the relationship, and then you broke up or you got separated, or there were no, you people could not continue talking, or it could be in relationships, it could be in business partnerships or anything for that matter. So what you are trying to tell here is, I'm sorry, divine, okay, for not being aware of what is the reason for all of this. Okay, please forgive me for whatever happened. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. You thank the divine, and then you tell that I love you. So these are the 4 phrases. Also, when you're chanting this prayer, you're welcome to imagine that person, whoever, with whoever the relationship wents are. Okay, and then you can chant it feeling that you are speaking to the divine, as well as you are speaking the same prayer to that particular person or a bunch of a few people with whom you want to clean your emotions, where our main goal is to transmute our emotions into peace, so that we are not bothered by those experiences and those people and that memories anymore in our life. We want to move on in our life, we want to stay peaceful, we want to live happily, and that's why we don't want our past to bother us. So that is why we are doing this. This is a very miraculous magical prayer. It works wonders. So I highly recommend this prayer to each one of you who is watching this video. So you're going to tell this: I'm sorry, divine, for not being aware. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now, when are you going to do this? Whenever you, for example, there's an instance where this person, suddenly you remembered this person, you suddenly recollected, or someday maybe you came across that person or his or her pictures, or maybe you met suddenly, or you saw that person suddenly, or you are getting the memories of the bitter experiences. Then and there you can sit down and then you can chant this prayer and release all of that stuff, but with this understanding that every person is always thinking and speaking and behaving from the place of their own stuff. Their own stuff is nothing but their knowledge, their awareness, their understanding of life, their fears and worries, their karma, their trauma, pain, life situations, their conditioning. From this place of awareness, it will be easy for you to forgive that person and also clean those negative emotions out of your system. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and do definitely try this and let me know how you felt. Take care. Bye.